I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Check the tiny USB receiver and pick a USB port with power. Insert the receiver firmly. Use a short adapter if needed. Make sure the keyboard has fresh batteries or is charged, then switch it on. Once powered, watch for a status LED on the keyboard or receiver. That light indicates the hardware is ready to attempt a handshake. While you wait, leave the keyboard close to the receiver, within about 1 meter, to maximize signal strength for pairing. You'll now trigger the actual pairing. If the receiver or keyboard has a connect button, press it, hold for 3-5 seconds until LEDs blink. This starts the handshake. Your computer should auto-install a driver, accept any prompts. If nothing appears, open Settings Devices or Bluetooth and Devices and look for the keyboard entry. Once detected, the OS completes firmware/drivers so the keyboard can send keys. Make sure location and permissions are allowed so the receiver can create a stable link. You're almost done. Open a text editor and type to confirm every key and modifier works. Check media keys and numlock too. If the layout is wrong, change keyboard layout in OS settings. If input is intermittent, move other wireless devices away and reinsert the receiver. As a key troubleshooting tip, power cycle the keyboard, replace batteries, and try a different USB port or a powered hub. This resolves most connection or power negotiation problems quickly. Once stable,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.